Hello, Barron Elementary parents and families. I'm your principal, Mr. Pyle. Welcome to the 2020-21 school year and back to school night. We now have 8 days of school completed. In that time, our staff has met the challenges of working with our health and safety plan, while also building important relationships with the children in their classes. We strongly believe that our learners must feel comfortable and confident in themselves before true learning takes place. I couldn't be prouder of the efforts that I've seen from our teachers, our staff, and our learners over the past few weeks and months preparing for the year ahead. Whether our staff is face-to-face, hybrid, or online, we are thoroughly impressed with their commitment and dedication to the craft of teaching. We understand that school may look a little different, might feel a little different. However, the passion and love of learning will always be our guiding force as we move forward. We also understand and appreciate the amount of patience and support that our parents continue to provide us as we navigate these challenging times that we have ahead. We continue to thank our Barron Elementary families for this and appreciate your interest in your son and daughter's education. Together, we can be difference makers this year. Absolutely. Back to school night. So back to school night will occur on Thursday, September 17th. You will have the opportunity to visit your child's teachers. This fully virtual event is meant to provide you with the information to help you as a parent as we begin the school year. Our teachers will discuss classroom expectations, routines, communication processes, and the wonderful learning experiences that your child will be involved with this year. You will also have the opportunity to view a video from each of your child's teachers. Art, music, STEM, health and phys ed, and library, of course, meet with our guidance counselor, Ms. Coonan, and our nurse, Mrs. Shearer, throughout the evening. We are also encouraging you to join Zoom sessions, as our teachers and staff will be available from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. through 3 sessions. We encourage you to go to your homeroom teacher from 6 to 6:20, and then from 6:20 to 6:40, go to another. If you have a sibling, go to that homeroom teacher's class, Zoom session. And then finally, maybe bounce around and go to the special teachers or Miss Coonan or Miss Shearer if you want to see what they are presenting to you from 6:40 to 7. I will also be on Zoom at 7 o'clock if you have any questions for me. We ask that you email your child's teachers with specific questions about your child's progress separately from this evening. Also, if you have specific questions in regards to our health and safety plan, please share these with me. Our intention for back to school night is to generate excitement around learning and have you as a parent understand how you can support your child at home. To access your child's teachers, simply click on the video and Zoom link listed under their name in this document below. If you're using a cell phone, please download the Zoom app prior to our back to school night. If you are unable to attend our back to school night Zoom sessions, you will still have access to the videos that our teachers have prepared for you. You can also email your child's teachers at any time. Communication between home and school is extremely important to us. The SMORE newsletter that you see on the screen behind you provides you with very important information that I will share throughout the year. I will continue to share these with all families each month, along with the procedures, activities, events, and teacher and student recognition. I like to include a summary of the month and also provide you with resources that can help at home. One particular item in this communication that we need updated is the Back to School Gateway. Please have this completed by September 27th. Also, There's information on this newsletter about our parent and family engagement, which is part of our Title I school-wide plan that we have for all parents in our community. And finally, Barron's Best, Purposeful People, and Ivy, our facility dog, are ways that we are addressing the social-emotional side of learning from our students. Through these positive learning experiences at Barron Elementary, we are excited to see our learners grow and develop throughout the year. And finally, as a parent myself, I can totally relate to the challenges that you have encountered over the last 6 months. I understand the emotional side of everything involved that you have experienced and continue to work around as you learn and understand our school's guidelines in regards to COVID-19. As a classroom teacher of 19 years, I also understand the extreme challenges that our teachers are experiencing as they adapt and adjust to meet our learners' needs under these current conditions. Therefore, it is extremely important that we work together in meeting these challenges. The health and safety of our learners and staff is our #1 priority. Wearing facial coverings properly, washing hands, social distancing, and the regular cleaning and sanitizing of desks and materials will allow us to continue to provide high-quality education for your child. We ask that you continue to follow and respect these guidelines that we have established as a school district. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. With that being said, I hope that you enjoy our virtual back-to-school night this evening. We are excited to meet you, and we look forward to a great school year. Thank you.